Abandon their hosts as soon as they need to. Vile parasites.
All the more reason to rid ourselves of our own uninvited.
The corpse regards you lifelessly.
Looking for weapon, the absolute. Do not fight her. Power, such power. Crashed from the sky, taken by infidels. Adored, a true soul, a chosen. The Absolute, the Almighty Goddess.
The spell's power wanes. You can ask no more questions. You feel the quake of its heavy footsteps before you see it. An owlbear, its beaked face looming out of the darkness.
What's this? Something weak, something tender. Won't even have to chew you before I feed you to my son. Soft meat. It's a splinter. I've gutted bigger threats than you with worse. You're small, weak. Killing you would be a waste of time. You can go, but you make one wrong step and I'll rip you to shreds.